Hello students. So today we will discuss exercise 1.4 of chapter first sets of class 11. Okay. So question number 1 is find the union of each of the following pair of sets. Okay, so first question is x is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5 and y is given as 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so we have to find its union. So when we write x union y, so x union y means we will take all the terms which exist in both the sets. So first one is 1 is in both, so we will take only 1 times. Now second one is 2, now 3 and 5. So this is x union y. Okay, now second question is a is given as a e I o u and set B is given as A, B, C. Okay, so we have to find A union B. So first we will write all the terms of A. So A, E, I, O, U. Now we will see what is matching. A is matching, so we will not repeat A again. Now we will write B and C also. So it is A union B. Third type of question is beta A is equal to x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3, and B set is given as x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, so what first we have to make this write this in roster form. So for writing A in roster form, x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9 and up to infinite. Okay, because natural number is up to infinite. And for set B, x is a natural number less than 6. So natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will take 6 or not. It is not written as equal to 6, so we will take up to 5 only. Okay, now we will write A union B. So A union B is equal to 1, 2. Okay, what we will take 3 or not, as it is saying that A union B 3, 4, 5, 6, now 9, 12, 15. Okay, up to infinite. It means what is A union B? A union B is either 1, 2, 4, 5 or a multiple of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5 and all others are multiple of 3 up to infinite. Okay, so now let's see question number 2. Let A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to A comma B comma C. Okay, so is A is a subset of B question mark, and what is A union B? Okay, so first of all we will take A set AB and B set ABC. So what is subset? Subset means beta part of set. Okay, part of set. So here we can clearly see that AB exists in C, AB is exist in B, set B. So it means A is a subset of B. Yes, this is correct. Now we have to find A union B. So first we will write all the terms of A, so AB, and then we will check what is matching. AB is matching, so we will not repeat it again, and we will write third one is C. So A union B is A comma B comma C. Okay. Now question number third. If A and B are two sets, okay, A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, then what is A union B? Okay, so if A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, then we will get A union B as B, because A comes from B. Okay, so what will be A union B? Set B only. Okay, now see next type of question. Question number 10. If X is equal to A comma B comma C comma D and Y is equal to F comma B comma D comma G, then find. In first part it is asking X minus Y, in second part Y minus X, in third part X is intersection Y. So first of all, what we will find? X minus Y. So in introduction section I have already told you how to minus two subsets. Okay, now first we will write X sets. So here I am writing X set. Set X is A, B, C, D, and Y below it F, B, D, G. So when we minus this X minus Y, so this is X and this is Y. So first we cancel the similar terms. This B, B and D, D are the similar terms. So this will be cancelled out, and X minus Y holds the left elements of the set X. Okay, so what is left in X element? A comma C. So X minus Y is A comma C. Now if we want to find in second part Y minus X, okay, Y minus X, now again we will write Y above F, B, D, G, and X below A, B, C, D. Now we will cancel the like terms, like elements. Okay, now we will write the left term of left elements of set Y. So what is left in set Y? F comma G. So answer is F comma G. Now in third part, X intersection Y. So in third part, X intersection Y means what are the like elements. So in X it is given as A, B, C, D, and in Y it is given F, B, D, G. So the like elements will be X intersection Y. So X intersection Y is B and D. So B comma D. This is your answer. Okay, thank you.